What's up, guys? We're back in a music.
Okay, Zano.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Ski.
So we're back with another reaction video. Takura X Ti Gonzi, Ndiringe.
I'm not X Ti Gonzi in a way. Okay, now
He said that was same music, man. That's what he said.
Live.
After this album, Raga drove here. I'm going to tweet. But you know my artist. Even Takura just here,
you can't leave something you're passionate about. But it's really good.
So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Hope you like it and subscribe so to members, you know.
Yes, sir.
Vibes. So yes, sir. Let's go.
Sepsike. Unozia ezvinezvi Takura ende takuda kuti X Ti Gonzi takakwanisa kuspreada love munguva yatairarama. Zvinhu zvinogara zvingondinetsa wana kuti iyi inzira yedu tese ende tese tichafa.
Hardly ever sleep, I was up all night thinking about the brothers and the sisters that we lost. I'm down on my knees, Ndiringe, Baba heal my pain.
Shaka all my boys.
Yeah, try to move on, I don't know to move I say. And run that I see, I'm a moyo robotoniko. God, I need you.
Did you hear the, you know?
Out of religion.
Yeah.
Out of religion.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. I wasn't expecting that, guys. I wasn't
You
expecting
mean from
that.
Takura, right?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that, but yeah, shout out.
Shout out.
Looks like it's a deep song for
Very.
not just for the public, but
For the
them.
for them. Yeah. It feels like it's also relating to people who lost. You can see the pictures on the table.
Yeah, so I think it's personal to them as well.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't anymore.
Yeah, Pinta.
May records. Been a while since we spoke. Been a while since I told my mother that I love her. Been a while since I chopped it up with my brothers. Been a while since I held it down for the streets. So for now, I'ma put my heart on this beat. So for now, I'ma reminisce. I miss the times when you were right here, and I needed you to be there. Now you gone forever. Cause didn't know nyama, no question God like manyanya, utora mazamu, pindira mambo. Hardly ever sleep, I was up all night thinking about the brothers and the sisters that we lost. I'm down on my knees, Ndiringe, Baba heal my pain.
That's so touching.
I don't know if we deserve Takura, guys. As a country, guys, I don't know if we deserve Takura, guys.
Takura is underrated.
Bro, Takura is supposed to be doing numbers. Not same numbers. I mean international
numbers. Yeah.
But I don't know with this album that is coming up with.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Oh, he's also dropping.
Yeah, Hansi. Is it an album or it's a
EP?
Yeah, someone has to do it too.
It's more like an album.
Yeah, it's like I'm expecting big things for that. But
I can't wait.
shout out to the song, man.
Shout out.
R.I.P. to the fallen angels, man.
Yeah.
But Arubata.
Oh.
I like the sound of his voice.
The sound,
I'm not
the
a producer again. Ndiani mix and Ndiani, but
I know you have to see like type is sound yagi. Yeah.
I feel like in terms of quality
Exactly.
in Zim artists, I feel like Takura is top there.
It's the best.
Up top.
One off.
Yeah, because
One of the best.
Guys, it sounds so flawless. Now
Come
you find
on.
out in headphones and whatnot. No coaching.
Hey. Yeah.
Yeah, try to move on, I don't know to move I say. And run that I see, I'm a moyo robotoniko. God, I need you.
Remember, yeah, the tongo jarwa oshiriko ende ndo zvachitongori. Tengo to upenyu chipo chamusingazotori imhosva rutsiko isingaregererwe nesori. We have lost so many people akandisira maronda asingapori. Kurasikirwa nemunhu kwasiyana nekurasikirwa nechidhori. Kusuwa mutsvakabvu kwasiyana nekusuwa munhu akarovera joni. My mom is gone ndakungoaonera mufoni ndochifunga ndiri alone vanhu vese vandisisa on. Dona kafa chiri mudika kasiya mukadzi nemudhoni zvakaoma sedombo mageto youths apera nesitoni mwari panyika musandibvise ndisataputika kunge ndiri mapopcorni. Tinziraiwo ngoni cause tega hatigoni zvasarire suva penyu ngatidanane rudo tiratidzane pakufa tiperekedzane. Taneta kuradzika vanhu amana kuradzika munhu kwatongoda kakurarisa kamwana vakatofa nechicken pox kana kwirikwiti vamwe vana. Even chero russia kwoitawo hondo kunyika dzana Putin. Mwari pasi rino rine nzara pafuti hari guti.
Alright.
Splitting the bars.
I thought he was keeping it simple, but of course this is Ti Gonzi.
Ti Gonzi in my bars.
Was there Russia?
Yeah. Yeah.
But like I said, this sounds more than being personal to my listeners. It sounds personal to the artists themselves. Once he talked about his family. Yeah. I feel like Takura was talking about in his perspective as well, from the people he lost. So I think that also came from within. You know what I'm saying? I mean, but yeah. It's really deep. It's
deep song.
Yeah, it's one for those hard times.
Yeah. Do tape my song yanonzo wakula down, but yeah.
Nzvimbo isina zvirwere njodzi kana pfuti.
Hardly ever sleep, I was up all night thinking about the brothers and the sisters that we lost. I'm down on my knees, Ndiringe, Baba, heal my pain. Yeah, try to move on, I don't know, don't move, I say. Ronda rawasi, I'm on my Europe, Nico. God, I need you.
Shout out to the producer. I don't know who produced.
Takura for a large guys. Personally, I feel like this song was actually I felt the song. Guys. I felt the song. Yeah. But shout out to these two artists.
Two artists and the producer and
the writing from the heart.
From the heart, yeah. The woman type gonna K-chaps here. Singing.
Yeah, we like
from the heart.
We like to see it, guys.
Yeah. So shout out. So I think that's it for the reaction video, guys. Hope you like it. Let me know below what you think of the song. Yes, sir.
Zerski.